something slight, nothing major. Sock boots from Zara, high-waisted jeans, and crop top from Zara. We're Ubering, so I'm gonna take a little shot, get the party started. Sister already took hers. Woo! That's a big ass shot. I didn't take all of it. She cute. Yummy. Steak and eggs. Hey guys, so I'm having a spa night with the sister. We have different stations set up. We have been wanting to do this for a while. So this is our first official self-care Sunday. We will try to do this more regularly. It all depends on our schedule, but I think this is amazing. We have The Bachelor going, so when it gets to the episode that we left off on, we're going to be watching that. We have a steam station here for steaming our faces. What else do we have? We have some wine. This is the passion fruit wine from Cooper's Hawk Restaurant and Winery. We have a candle going. This is the aromatherapy candle from Bath and Body Works. It smells amazing in here. It's just all the vibes going on right now. We just put a little bit of lavender essential oil in the steamer, so that's going right now too. We got the Ricky Loves Ricky mirror down here so that we can put on our masks and moisturizers. We have a ton, and I mean a ton, of sheet masks and different kind of masks and whatnot. We have a couple whitening strips here. We have some toners, some scrubs, some facial moisturizers, and then we have this really cute skincare fridge from Vanity Planet with all of our moisturizers and masks cooling inside. So, and then we also have a jade roller in the freezer cooling right here, getting really cold. So that'll be really nice to use for depuffing and calming the skin and whatnot. So yes, we are about to get started. We are super excited. Oh yes, and we do have a foot massaging station right here as well. So Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. I just woke up. Unfortunately, we did not make it to the gym this morning, but I am about to do a home workout. So I'm about to go downstairs in the basement. I'm going to ride the Peloton, and then I'm also going to do some weightlifting and strength training with my resistance bands and whatnot. I'm about to go make me some coffee as a pre-workout, and then I'm gonna get a quick workout in. I don't want to miss today since it is Monday, and then I will get started with my day. Guys, my FabFitFun box just arrived. I just got done with my workout. I'm gonna shower, get myself together, and then I'm gonna come back and open it. I am the one who selected the box, but I honestly don't remember what I selected, so it'll be a fun little surprise for me as well, because I'm not really sure what's in this box. Hey y'all, so I'm about to open my FabFitFun box right now for you guys on camera. I also received some packages from Amazon. There's nothing major in there, but if you guys want to see that as well, I'll be opening that too. So, alright. So we're going to do a little haul with the stuff that I got. The first thing that was just loose in the box was this basil Italian leaf seed package. So these are seeds. I do remember one of the things that I picked out, and I'll show you guys that in just a second. I don't know if this is it. Yep, this is it. So basically it's an LED indoor planter, and I saw it because I was like, oh my gosh, I want to get more into growing plants and different stuff and eventually have like some sort of a garden. So I thought this was really cool. So basically you put the soil inside of here, and then you put the seeds, and then you water it, and the basil plant is supposed to grow inside of this. And you can set it literally right on your countertop and just snip a little bit every time you want to use some, and have some fresh ingredients inside of your food. So I thought this was awesome. Massive. Oh, this is so cute. I got some spring stickers. I am a planner kind of gal. I was just planning this morning in my planner. So this is pretty cool to get some spring stickers. This is going to be a nice surprise because I don't remember what I picked out, guys. I really don't. A little closer. Okay. What does this say? What is this? It's by the brand Earth Harbor, which I've never heard of before. It says Marina. It's I have no idea what this is. So it says apply 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning. So my guess is some kind of a serum or moisturizer. Okay, are they sure this is my box? I don't recall picking these things out. What is this? This is reusable beauty rounds. Okay, reusable beauty rounds. Now this one I do remember. This is Alice and Olivia. It's a bucket hat, which I'm really excited about because so far I have one bucket hat, and I really want to like start this bucket hat collection because I think they're so cute. I want the Dior bucket hat and like a Fendi bucket hat or something cute like that. Okay. This is by Perricone MD, and it is their Rejuvenating Moisturizer. I think I picked this up because I'm looking to get a little bit more serious with my skincare. So Perricone MD is a really good, reputable, high quality brand. Actually, their products are pretty expensive, so yes, I'm excited to try this. What is this? Ooh, this is by Pure Cosmetics, and it is in the Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil. I thought this would be really cute for like spring and summer coming up. It looks to be some kind of a body oil that you can like rub on your décolleté and your shoulders and just make your skin really pop. Oh, this is the Josie Maran 100% argan oil, which you can use on like your hair, your nail beds and cuticles. And this is how to use it to moisturize and beautify your face, hair, and nails. What is this? There's something else in here. Oh yes, I do remember. This is a hair scarf set that I picked out. It comes with 2 scarves. I like to sometimes put a scarf in my head, like for fashion, or sometimes when I'm going to the gym and I need the stuff pulled back off my face. I really like hair scarves, so when I saw that, I was like, oh, I would love that. And then I think we have one last thing here. I actually did not pick this out. Why did they give this to me? What is this? It says it's a Cactus Cup. That's really interesting because I did not choose this. But I mean, I guess it's kind of cute. You can like take it to the beach or take it somewhere, put drinks in it. That's interesting. I did not select this, but I'll take it. So that is everything in the box. They also send a lot of coupons. I think this is HelloFresh, 13 free meals, and then Grow Forth. I'm not sure what that is. But yeah, they usually, and then that's just their magazine. And here's a better look at the stickers. It's your time to bloom. Super cute.